God pushed play on this for you. Don't turn it off. One person just felt a pull the second the video started. That's you. February 20th to 25th, 2026 is still alive with post-eclipse energy. Aquarius, sudden shifts, old blocks breaking, cash paths opening fast. Universe/God timed this video exactly when you needed the reminder. Someone here just looked at their balance or trade and felt the spark. This is not random. This is your sign. Money incoming this week. Breathe deep. Feel the timing. Question: why did God push play right now? What proof shows the cash drops February 20th to 25th? Deck shuffled slow, channeling faded flow plus Aquarius lightning. 5 cards for you. Past block, 5 of Pentacles reversed. Lack mindset easing. Past felt empty, cold. Reversed equals door cracked. Eclipse cleared some fear. You know those nights staring at low numbers. Current moment, Ace of Pentacles. New seed right now. Golden opportunity planted. Ping, idea, small win. You just felt your phone or gut jump. Ace says it's yours. Trigger, Wheel of Fortune. Fate turns. Luck cycle flips. Trigger this week. Sudden win. Payout, spike, unexpected cash. Wheel says it's spinning for you. Incoming money. Knight of Pentacles. Steady arrival. Reliable deposit. Affiliate hit. Content payout. Real and close. You know the wallet/app it's landing in. Outcome, 10 of Pentacles. Abundance foundation, security, long-term flow. This week's win builds your empire. Proof, 5 Rev, lack ends. To Ace, seed. To Wheel, turn. To Knight, arrival. To 10, locked. This is your reading. Money incoming, February 20th to 25th. Tie in, past lack flipped to seed, planted to fate, turns to cash, arrives to empire starts. God pushed play because the route is open. Daily energy, February 20th to 25th. Random ping feels heavy. Idea hits instantly right. Gut says, check now. Balanced thought pops. Calm, it's coming. Signs, money incoming, February 20th to 25th. Phone vibrates randomly. Money thought to app opens itself. Dreams show cash/pings. Numbers spike, 888-1111-555. Unexpected refund/tip. Gut says, today/tomorrow. Old idea pays off. Feeling done deal. Synchronicities double. Calm peace. This week, vivid wind dreams. Notification glitch sign. No desperation, knowing. Universe confirms hourly. Win when you detach. Subscribe and comment below. Want more energy? Give first. Universe flows both ways. Advice, February 20th to 25th. One big move daily. Post, trade, outreach. No chase. Stay cold. Universe delivers. Affirm 3 times per day. God push this now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th perfectly. Log signs, proof builds, cold mindset, hungry, grateful, 0 emotion. Aquarius, innovate fast, detach, no doubt, divine timing. Celebrate small, push 15,000 plus. Affirmation, God pushed play right now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th. I stay detached, hungry, aligned, everything flows, so it is. If this hit deep, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment, God pushed play to claim. Drop sign/next focus. Stay aligned. God timed this. Every second counts.